students. Today's topic is international agency. That we're going to see about the agency which is working worldwide. International agencies are working worldwide. The international then in that we are going to see about the International Red Cross. International Red Cross is a non-political, non-governmental, international humanitarian organization which is dedicated to the service of the humanity in both war and the peace. This is an international Red Cross which is working at the time of the war and the peace for maintaining the humanitarian volunteer organizations and humanitarian activities. In that they are providing some type of the funding, they are providing some type of the food, they are providing the first aid treatment. So this is about the International Red Cross activities. They are providing the humanity and the both peace and the war. It was established by the Swiss businessman Henri Dunant in 1864. In the 1990 League of the Red Cross Society was formed. The League of the Society has been formed in the 1990. Up to that, 1864, the businessman has run this International Red Cross alone. This book, after the coordinations among the Red Cross Society of the different countries. Afterwards, what happened? This International Red Cross has the binding to the another countries for the different societies and different countries for coordinations and the give their services to the other countries. The headquarters of the International Red Cross Society is in Geneva. The Geneva mainly held this International Red Cross Society. From there, they are making the policy, they are making their norms, regulations for the all of the countries. And they are also making the services where they have to provide at the time of the war and peace. Its membership comprises of the more than 90 countries. Right now, International Red Cross Society working more than the 90 countries worldwide. Objectives to serve the suffering humanity. The main objective is to serve the suffering of the humanity and the both for the both war and the peace interpersonal communities. Its activities on the humanitarian grounds on the activities of the war, natural calamities like floods and the earthquakes. At the time of the natural calamities, at the time of the floods and the earthquake, what they are doing, they are providing the humanitarian grounds activities. They are providing the natural calamities. They are providing the at the time of emergency, they are providing the first aid. At the time of the emergency, they are providing the nutrition need. They are providing the also for the health education counseling in that war. Providing first aid home services and the home nursing services, health educations, and they conduct the maternal and child welfare services. They are providing at the time of the war. They are also providing the nursing services. They are providing the first aid at the time of the emergencies, like any emergency occur, nature calamities occurs. What they are doing, they are sending some members to that particular place and they're providing the first aid treatment, they're providing the nursing home, they're providing health education, counseling, medicines, conduct the maternal and child welfare services to that particular area. That's why they are having the role in 1, 2, and 3. First one is providing material services to the victim of the wars, natural disaster. At the time of the natural disaster, at the time of the wars, what they are doing, they are providing the calm services, they are providing the first aid services. The second role is to provide the armed force first aid services. The first armed force services, it means they are providing the firstly armed force services. They are providing the first aid services that is called the armed force services because at the time of the emergency, what happened? At the time of the emergency, they need the first aid treatment that for maintaining their lifestyles and improvements in the emergencies area. The third one role is home nursing, health education, maternal and child welfare. So they are providing the educational to the home services, the education to the home nursing services for the mother and child service. This is the three roles of the main role of this and the objective of the International Red Cross. The activity of International Red Cross is responding quickly and the efficiency to the people affected by the armed conflicts. It means at the time of the conflicts, at the time of the calamities, at the time of the war, they are providing the response quickly, easily response at the efficiency response, but they are needed. Also respond to the disaster in conflict zones because the effects of the disaster are compounded if a country is already at the war. What they are providing the conflict zones. They are providing the response at the type of the conflict zones. They are because of the effects of the disaster. It may be effects more than we have expected. So they are providing at the time of the response the compounded if the country is already at the fall. And the rapid development capacity. They are providing the redevelopment capacity. They are redevelopment funding, reproviding, budgeting to the at particular place. So this is about the main activities of the Red Cross. Other than that, they are also addressing the sexual violence prevalence in many modern conflicts. They are providing the violence against boys. They are providing the looking for the addressing violent activity. What is happening in the which country, like rape cases, sexual arrest cases, harassment cases. So against that, they are providing the some prevalence. They are providing the some funds and help to the that victims. The buildings respect for the law. They are also providing the some laws for the our the countries, all over the countries who are member of that Indian International Red Cross. Climate change and the conflicts. In the time of the climate change, in the time of the what the conflicts has occurred like earthquakes and the floods. At the time of that, they are providing the relief activities, the particular place and particular members who are victims of the climate change. Cooperating with the national societies. Cooperating with the national society in the terms of the, they are providing the international activities. They are providing the nation's relationship that they can easily bind to the each other. Right now, they are also working for the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. In that terms, they are providing some fund, they are providing some medicines, some technologies to rule out this COVID-19 pandemic disease. This is some main functions right now which working from the International Red Cross Society. They're also providing the economic security. Economic security, it means they are providing the some fund to the hospitals, to the victims. So what happened? Their security may be effective. And the economic security in the terms of providing the budget. Enabling people with the disability and physical rehabilitation. They are providing the disabled and the physical rehabilitation centers in that people can live. There also vocabulary can be occur. Their vocationals can be occur. So this is about the helping to the disability and physical rehabilitative peoples who cannot able to walk, cannot able to hear, cannot able to see. That is called as a physical disabled people. So they are providing some funds for their lifestyle. Then forensic science. In that, they are also providing the some fund to the forensic science. In that, they are providing the services against the crimes, services against some thefts. So according to that, forensic science is working for maintaining peace in our country. That is about the forensic. At the time of the crime, they are also going to get the meeting and they are rule out the behind the crimes what happened. This is about the rule outs of the crimes. That is under the forensic science activities. Thank you everyone. This is about the Indian Red Cross activities. The mainly for the peace and war they are working and mainly for the humanitarian activities throughout the world. Greater than 90 countries, the world. Thank you everyone.